Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Tabitha and we're here to plan in my classic happy planner for the next week in October. So today I did like a how should I decorate my planner, which I just came up with a list. As I think of ideas, I put them in here. And then when I'm ready to decorate, I randomly pick a number. And this one I got down the middle again, but this time we're going to do it vertically. So let's do that. And I thought, since down the middle doesn't really tell us what we're doing exactly, we could also decorate for Halloween, because isn't October all month Halloween? Is it like that for you or not? Let me know in the comments down below. So I don't need a bill to pay either. I think it was this sticker book that I wanted. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and use this one. This is the seasonal type teacher sticker book. It is for a big sticker book. Like I said, I have a classic, but we're gonna do it anyway because it is very cute. Don't want the pink and green ones because those are springy colors. Go down. Now we're at the summer. Okay. Now we're at the fall. Okay, and I also need to see what do we know we need to be planning for. I'm also going to use my habit tracker. This week is a little bit cut off, but I think it'll be okay because I know the days of the week most days. But I am going to again cut it off and decorate down the middle in between them. Okay, I'm not very good at putting things down straight apparently. Sorry for that. And yeah, this is a teacher one, so it's going to have a lot of lesson plans and stuff like that. I will not use those because I'm not a teacher. But I might use these boxes. They're really cute. What do I need? 11 through 17. Need something this day. Do you want this one or this one? Or this one? Let's do these pumpkins. That is also not straight. Guys, we're not doing a great job. And it's gonna be crooked. I'm sorry. And then we can use this page to decorate down the middle. This has teacher stuff and not to-dos and stuff like that. So I feel like I want to use that sticker because it's cute. can also use like this to do, because we'll have gold now. So I'll do that. And then I don't like doing, oh, we just have plain orange boxes. I was going to like cut the today off that checklist, but like it will just ruin it. Like that's a really good box. Like I will want to use that at some point. That box is also not straight. So we're not doing great at the like straightness thing, but it's okay. It's okay. I keep telling myself that. Maybe it will be true. Can this one come up? Okay. But I do that because we still need to put all the decoration part down. Okay. Turn to this page. And I think maybe I'll do like, I'll just do a mixture of all of them. Yeah, we'll do that. Since we don't have the days of the week on there anyway. I can't get any of these stickers off of the page. Okay, we are going to do, which I don't really like doing, but I can get the stickers out, and they're in the sticker book. And I know I'm going to use a lot of these, so we might use them all. I want there to be a little tiny one. No. Oh, there's like little hearts and stuff. We can use that. I don't know what we're doing with this yet. Okay, and I need something to cover up there because I don't like seeing the white out strips. I don't like that there. I don't know. And then I said we need something the 17th, and oh, that was it. Okay, so And do one of these can just be where we write gratitude, and then this does go over here. And chaos coordinator. I feel like that also describes being a mother, so it would work. We might just use it. No. Okay, it's not as pretty, but I don't know. I messed it up. So just pretend that goes there. And that is what I have. So if you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified when I put up new videos. And that's all I got. Thanks. Bye.